I would say that is not supposed to look like that. Delivery for you, sir. This thing's a piece of shit. Oh, snap, you got the new one in there. Hell yeah, look at you. You do work, don't you? Yeah, huh?
Barely hanging in there.
It's looking good. Well, he's got it bolted up. I don't know if he bolted it up right, but we're about to find out. We're about to throw some fluid in here, get it going. He's got this pressure controller already installed and placed in here nice and neat. You know, my boy Wes, he does a real good job. Boom. Beautiful. But this hose is kind of a pain in the ass to put fluid in. I feel like a lot of the fluid is going to go in the engine more than in the freaking tranny. So we're going to rig something up to make that work way better. Well, she's finally running. We got the trans in there, we got everything done, and they said it was working great. So we're about to go for my first ride in it, and the thing is filthy. It needs washed bad. I mean, look at this shit. Oh, boy, did I miss her. I need her back now, and I'm happy I'm got her back now. So she looks so good, especially with that cowl hood. I know I never recorded putting the cowl hood on, but I got the wiper arms, the cowl, the hood, and the mirrors all color matched. There's a lot more color matching to be coming to the truck, so wait for that. That's gonna be coming. But we got interrupted with the color matching because the transmission went out. So, yeah. A name from the past showed up on my phone, and pulling up to him right now, Mr. Gabe Farrell. His grandpa was hauling Megan on Brandon's trailer, and I guess the tire just blew off. I don't know, but CJ's here to save the day. Old crude diesel here to save the day. Let's go check out this whole thing, because it's probably messed up pretty good. He said the tire blew smooth off of it. Yep, that's Megan, all right. Megan's broken, so. These tires are there?
No.
Huh? Oh, yeah, the hub is gone, so.
Oh, this one's gone.
Are those bearings?
Wow, that was done.
Yeah, those are bearings.
The other side. Oh, shit. That one too.
Let's look at this side.
That front was leaking.
We're missing something. Holy yeah, that's not good. I would say that is not supposed to look like that. These bitches don't spin. It's nice aluminum duty though. Broken. All right, let's get this thing pushed forward or whatever we can do, and then we'll update you. We'll try to get this all fixed up for him so he can get down to wherever he's going. Easy work. Oh, that is pretty sick though. That's cool as hell. Interior is still clean. This is the cleanest I've seen any of his trucks. Impressive. Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right, well, we got the, get out of my way. All right, so we got the axle lifted up off the ground just a tad bit so it's not dragging. A little ingenuity there. He's gonna drive this sketchy thing back to my house. So the truck's all the way up there. All the way up there. And I found the tires. Oh boy. I guess it's gonna go back to my house, and yeah, that hub is not doing good though. That hub is literally about to come apart. So let's hope that one don't come apart too, because that would suck. But we'll update you. I just told him to pull over because this thing is cooking. I mean, bad. It is not having a good time. Oh, it's on fire. Oh, shit. Let me go get some water. Ah! She's on fire, boys. Oh, that shit's hot. You hear it sizzling? That was on fire. Nah, it was a hub. Was it? Yeah. That tire's about to fall off. No way, that just come off. That's not good. Hey, that other wheel just come off. It did? Yeah. Yeah, she's oh wow. Yeah.
Damn it. Oh yeah, it's fucking straight. Wow.
Yeah, she come right off. I mean, she's not touching the ground, but
Yeah. No. I'll bring my other truck out, and we can see if we can weld that knuckle for you to be able to drive.
yeah, that'd be perfect.
You know.
I bet you that. I was gonna kick it.
Yeah, it's underneath there.
Let me roll forward a little bit.
Yeah, it is wedge. I heard that snap. Yep. Brandon, you need a new trailer, my guy. Yep. I mean, easy tire replacement. Look at that. It all yeah. Easy tire replacement. All good there. I'll probably have to move my truck, huh? There's nothing. Oh my God. Tandem just turned into a single. Why you gotta be so heavy? Nah, it's not your fault. It's that fault. So this super nice guy helped us out huge. He actually has an axle for Brandon's trailer and everything. So, and he offered to swap it out. I don't know if that's what Brandon's gonna do, but hopefully he does, because there's nobody else that's gonna do it, and I don't have the tools and equipment to do it at my house. He even welded up Gabe's steering component here because it was broken. That's why I was going down to Texas to get fixed and to get built better. But he welded it up so we could steer it and get it off the trailer and put it on the next trailer. He welded up pretty good, like really good. Like, check this out. Like, it's leaning a little, but it's not bad. Anyways, we got it going pretty good. So Gabe's grandpa, he's gonna come over here, drop off the trailer, and then go get my trailer and then take it to Texas, I guess. So we shall see, hopefully. So we just got back here and we got Gabe's big truck loaded up on the trailer, on my trailer. It's his first load he's ever had, and oh my, the deck is so beautiful. Let me just tell you. It's got a good looking truck on here and a good tow rig, so it's definitely looking good on this big boy. Oh dude, I'm pumped. That's so cool. And she's off to Texas. My trailer, its first load, and it's a heavy load, boy. Big. We'll see ya. Yes, sir. Take care of it for me. See you later, trailer. You'll be missed. Ah, never even hold anything. This guy's waiting for me. My bad. I'm sorry.